Hello. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about something super powerful, Google Ads. So, what excited me in Google Ads is Google Ads. It's Google's own advertising platform that's help business reach people all around the world. Let's say, let's say someone search best shoes online. So I am search best shoes online. Boom! They instantly see ads from shoes companies right on Google. And the best part, you only pay when someone clicks you ad that called PPC, pay per click. Pretty cool, right? Google Ads is just about showing ads. It's about showing the right ad to the right person at the right time. Whether you are a YouTuber, small business owner, or digital marketer, Google Ads can totally level up your growth and help you reach your dreams. Ados. So guys, if you want to grow online, start learning Google Ads today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you the next video.